Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add the back to top button on your Wix site. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in my editor for a random store that I've created just as an example, and now I'm going to show you how you can add the button. Now, the place where you want to add the back to top button is most likely going to be at the bottom of the page. So let's say somewhere around here, for example, would be good. And now you want to go into add elements and then go to button, and as you can see, you have themed buttons and you have all of these buttons which you can select. You have the document buttons, you have the image buttons, icon buttons, text and icon buttons, and you can pretty much select whatever you want. I'll, for example, select this black button and just put it somewhere along the lines of here. And as you can see, now I have the button. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to extend it a bit. And as you can see, I'll just double click on it so that I can edit the text. I'll just set it to back to top. And as you can see, the display I'll just keep as text only. And now that we've done that, you want to click on the link button over here. And as you can see, one of the options is top/bottom of the page, and just select whatever you want. In this case, it's going to be the top, and then click done. And now we have our button. Now I'm going to go into the preview and show you guys what exactly it does. Just give it a second while it loads, and once it loads, I'll just scroll down, or not. It looks like it just previews where I currently am. So now if we click this button to go back to the top, as you can see here, if I click it, it's going to go all the way back to the top, and that's pretty much all we need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.